Another important feature of the device is we can actually send a text message to it. So for example, in many settings you might want to develop a sense of community. And how can we create a community? Well, we can do lots of things, for example produce a community garden, but one thing we can do is community events. And it looks like I've just got a text message informing me that something's happening. We can see a text message in because I'm getting this red light that is flashing. You will also have heard the sound, the chimes that the text message is in. So I know there's a text message there. I'm the tenant, so I want to know what the text message is saying to me. So I press the red button here. These buttons now become toggle buttons, and I want to take options, so I'm going to see what the options are, and I'm going to select view. Okay, so it's informing me that the community lunch, which is part of our community strategy within the development, is going to start in 15 minutes, which is great. So I've got 15 minutes to get downstairs and to get my lunch with the rest of the people in the community. Well, one other thing now, I've now got a lot of text messages building up, so I want to delete them. So options, using this to toggle, and I'm going to delete all. Delete all. Yes, I'm going to delete them all. That's a very simple use of the text message function. So a housing officer, for example, can communicate the same message to all tenants within the community and really start to create a community atmosphere around it. Thanks.